Hello, my name is Bruce Whitfield. This is ECN 423, Section 1, Homework 8, Problem 14.9.1. This right here is the test bench for the traffic light controller. Right here is the entity, TBTC. The architecture for the test bench. I created a signal that are 1-bit standard logic, which are C for clock, R for reset, and E for car and east-west. Signal TL, which is the 6-bit output that I have in STD logic. And then I created a type called state type with 4 states, state 0, 1, 2, and 3. And then I created another signal, CES and NXS, which is state type. CS is current state and NXS is next state. I created a component, TC, which is the traffic light controller, and its port is clock, reset, car and east-west, and then the output is a 6-bit traffic light output. And then I end the component, and that is creating my traffic light component, and then next I'm instantiating my traffic light component, and then I process, and then basically what I do is at the first rising edge, I have the car, the input that detects a car in east-west. I have that set to 0, so no car is being detected in the east and west. So it will stay in state 0, which is green north south. And then at the next rising edge, I have a car is being detected in the east and west. So the next state will be state 1, which is yellow north south. And at the next rising edge, it will go. The next state will be state 2, which is green east west, and it doesn't matter what the input is for that. And at the next rising edge, I have a car. The car in being detected in the east and west is still enabled, and so when in state 2, if a car is detected in the east and west, it will stay in state 2 which is green east west, and that is exactly what it does. And then at the next rising edge, I have no cars being detected in the east and west, so the next state will be state 3, which is yellow east west. And then at the next rising edge, it will be going to the next state will be state 0, which is green north south. And when it is in state 0 with no car being detected in east and west, it will stay in state 0, which is green north south. And then I have in the next rising edge, I have a car is enabled in the east and west, so the next state is state 1, which is yellow east west. And at the next rising edge, I have reset enabled, and so the next state will be state 0. And then at the next rising edge, it is in state 0, and there's no car being detected in the east and west direction, so the next state will be state 0. And that is all for the test bench for my traffic light controller. Thank you.